Hi everyone and welcome. Today I'm here to talk about a topic that is critical for our future, the desalination of water. Did you know that by 2025 half of the world's population will be living in water-stressed regions? That's a very scary statistic, but it highlights the growing challenge of securing access to clean, fresh water. Thankfully, there's a solution called desalination. It is a process that removes salt from seawater or brackish water, making it usable for drinking, agriculture, and industry. Fresh water is vital for life. We use it for drinking, cooking, sanitation, and countless other purposes. But fresh water is a limited resource, and our demand is constantly growing. Population increase, urbanization, and climate change are all putting immense pressure on our water supplies. Here's a sobering fact. By 2030, global water demand is expected to exceed supply by 40%. That means we will have a significant gap to fill if we want to ensure everyone has access to this essential resource. So, how can desalination help? It's a process that separates salt and other minerals from salt water, making it usable as fresh water. There are two main methods: reverse osmosis and thermal desalination. Reverse osmosis uses pressure to push salt water through a special membrane, leaving the salt behind and producing fresh water. Thermal desalination involves boiling salt water and collecting the freshwater vapor that condenses. Desalination offers a glimmer of hope, but it's not without its challenges. One major concern is energy consumption. Particularly with reverse osmosis, desalination plants require a significant amount of energy to operate. Another challenge is the environmental impact. The desalination process produces brine, a highly concentrated salt solution that can harm marine life if not disposed of properly. Finally, desalination plants can be expensive to build and maintain. This can make it a less accessible solution for some communities or countries. Despite the challenges, desalination offers a substantial benefit for us. One of the most significant is the ability to provide a new source of fresh water in regions facing water scarcity. Coastal areas, for example, can utilize desalination plants to supplement their existing water supplies. Desalination can also support agriculture and industry. Many agricultural activities and industrial processes require large amounts of fresh water. Desalinated water can help meet this demand, especially in areas with limited freshwater resources. Desalination plants can also contribute to economic development. They create jobs in construction, operation, and maintenance. And additionally, a reliable water supply can attract business and boost tourism in coastal regions. Desalination is a powerful tool that can help us address the growing challenge of water scarcity. While there are some challenges to overcome, such as energy consumption and environmental impact, the benefits of desalination are undeniable. Desalination research and development are crucial for making this technology more sustainable and cost-effective. Let's learn more about desalination and support its responsible development to secure a water-secure future for all. Water is a precious resource, and desalination offers a promising solution for a water-scarce world. By working together, we can ensure that this technology is used responsibly and sustainably to benefit generations to come. Thanks for your time, and remember, technology makes the world better.